What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So this video is brought to you by my sponsor Lasfit. They make quality freaking bulbs. I have my fog lights are from Lasfit, my third brake light, and the bed light is from Lasfit as well. Now guys, this is going to be for my 2021 Ram 2500 with the diesel. It takes a 9005 for the high beam. Okay, in the box you have your stickers right here. I think this is the first time I got stickers from them. You have your instruction manual, and obviously you have your pair of bulbs. These are canvas ready. These are polarity sensitive, which means when you plug this into the harness, if the bulb doesn't work, pull it out, flip the plug, and try it again, and it should work. Okay, these bulbs are 30 watts each, which is pretty decently bright. 30 watts each, 3000 lumens a bulb, and also it's a 6000K white light, so it doesn't hurt other people's eyes for oncoming traffic, if you get what I'm saying. Now, with this Ram, guys, the high beams are a lot easier to install than the low beams. The low beam, you got to go through this the fender well in order to get it, and if you have really big hands like me, it can hurt a little bit, but it's doable. So this is literally right up here. Just pull off the damn dust cap. It's a very, very simple installation. Now, what's going to happen with mine is not going to be simple. Why? Because my big ram air system from Banks is blocking the other one. So I'm going to have to take off the ram air, which, you know, I mean, it's some extra work, but it's, you know, I mean, it is what it is. So now, once you have the dust cap off, okay, just go in, turn the bulb, the harness counterclockwise. And that's it. Look, and you pull it out, and you're right there. Now hold on a second. And just put this GoPro and just mount it right here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, all right, we're good. So now you have your bulb. Okay, there's a little clip right here. Just pry up with your fingernail and just pull it out. Very, very simple. Now you take one of your new bulbs. This video is going to be super short, guys. This is like super rudimentary, and I mean, it's easy. Okay, take your new bulb, you plug that into the harness. Now make sure you put this where you can easily test it, guys. Don't put it anywhere that it could burn anything. These bulbs get super, super hot. Okay, so like right there. Hold on a second. So obviously you can see that bad boy works and is bright as heck. So now, once you install it, just put all the wires back in there. Make sure they're not touching the cooling fan. Try to do your best to make sure the wires are not touching the cooling fan. Just fit it up in there, turn it clockwise, and you're straight. Just like this. You can actually look in the front of it as well to get an idea where you are or where you're putting it. You'll be able to see straight through the lens. You gotta pretty much do it all by feel, but it's not hard. Now guys, what I want to show you is once this part right here fits into the groove and you turn it, once it's tight in there, you'll be able to spin the actual bulb and rotate it how you want it. So I have it where, just like the similar as this one right here, I know you can't see it, but I put it where it's horizontal. So the top and the bottom, once those beams comes on, it hits the reflectors perfectly. You see it? It's horizontal. Now once you finish, just replace your dust cap and you're straight. Okay, so I literally had to take off my entire ram air piece to access this. It'll be very easy if you have the stock air filter system. It's very, very easy to access. Pull off the dust cap, real simple. Turn counterclockwise. Pull it out. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Let's pry that up, pull, and we're straight. Put the other one on, and I'll see you once everything is mounted back together. I'll see you a little bit later to do a little bit of lighting test. Now guys, just so you don't have a fit, I'm going to show you how the stock bulb, the color of it, compared to the Lasfit LED. As I said, watch where you're putting that bulb when you try to test it. As I told you, that shit is pretty bright. So I'll see you guys tonight when I'm testing out the high beams. All right guys, so it's nighttime. I just wanted to show you how the high beams looked. I already showed you today earlier the difference between the stock bulbs, which were yellow, the halogens, and these new high beams. Go ahead. God damn. That's bright. That is bright. You definitely don't want that in your face on oncoming traffic. Okay, let go. Wow, that is freaking bright. There goes my retinas. But anyway guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Everything is going to be in the description. The link for the bulbs plus discount codes. Hit it one more time. God. Guys, I hope you found some type of worth in this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.